I've been using FX Pro for a while now, and in this video, I'm giving you my honest and unbiased review of whether it's actually worth using as your Forex broker in 2025. FX Pro is a long-established broker that's regulated by major authorities like the FCA and SISEC, which already gives it a solid level of trust and credibility. It supports a wide range of trading platforms including MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, CTrader, and their own FX Pro Edge, which makes it flexible for different trading styles. You also get access to over 2,000 instruments, covering everything from Forex and commodities to indices, shares, and even crypto. So there's no shortage of options when it comes to what you could trade. But no broker is perfect, and there are a few things to be aware of. If you're using the standard account, spreads can be noticeably higher compared to other brokers, especially for majors like Euro to US dollar. Also, if you leave your account inactive for 6 months, they charge a $10 monthly fee, which isn't ideal for casual or occasional traders. And while they do provide some learning material, I found the educational resources a bit underwhelming, especially if you're just getting started and need a more structured approach. Still, one thing that stands out is their execution speed, which is consistently fast and stable. Definitely a plus for active traders. So overall, FX Pro is a reliable, well-regulated broker with strong platform choices and solid execution. It's a great fit for experienced traders and those looking for a wide asset selection. Just keep in mind the cost structure and plan your trading activity accordingly. I hope this review helped you make a better decision. If it did, support the channel with a super thanks, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews. See you the next one.